Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got another guess what's in the box video. I don't even know what's in it. I'm not sure where it came from. It has an Amazon tracking number. I don't have any emails or anything from somebody sending me something, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. So I'm not sure where this came from or who sent it. It does have my name on it, my address. It's got a TBA 156792555-204. That's an Amazon tracking number. It says LGB3, Phoenix 7, Phoenix 7, so maybe Lexington, Kentucky, something like that. It says Phoenix, Arizona. These are the QR codes, information of where it came from. It does not say anything about who sent it or anything else. It's not even an Amazon box, but it is an Amazon tracking number. I don't know what it is, but it's 10 inches long. It is 7 7/8 inches wide, and it is 4.5 inches deep. What do you guys think is in the box? I have no clue what is in the box. I do have some other items showing up that I purchased from eBay for the 4Runner. I also got a bunch of Toyota parts in this box. It's a box sitting on top of a bunch of parts. I'm going to be doing a video. I did already install. I actually took this plate off of the 4Runner. This is the backing plate, and this is what the license plate light bulbs attached to. These are the new housings with the new plug and everything. So I just wanted to show you guys that. I do have the original ones that I got out of the vehicle. So these are the ones. These are the license plate lights that were in the vehicle. This one, it's got one cover. The other cover is missing. It does have two generic bulbs in it, halogen bulbs. You can tell these are, this is the harness that came out of the truck. It's definitely dirty. And this one is nice and shiny and clean. I did take the bulbs that came in these housings, because these housings, the whole harness was like 20-something bucks. I did a video on it. I don't remember exactly what the price was. 20-something dollars, I think. 25 bucks, something like that. I did put LED bulbs in here. And this, I actually ended up gluing this gasket back here, which is why I brought it in. So this gasket was pretty brittle. And until I can find another hatch door for the Limited that will come with that, it's just easier to glue that. But I wanted to show you guys the reason I took the old housing out is one has a cover, one cover was missing. It was missing 3 screws out of the 4 screws that this cover is meant to have. So I just decided to remove it. I did put it in the bag that the other set came in that I just showed you. And the reason I put it in this bag was that way I can show you guys the part numbers. But this isn't about, technically this video right now is not about these. I just figured I'd give you guys an update. I will be doing a video on all the Toyota parts I picked up, bolts, everything, if you guys need it. But what do you guys think is in the box? You guys let me know. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I also do have an Ulsa Tools link at the top of the description below. If you guys want to use that, it'll get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com. As well as it does kick me back 10% off my next order. So when you use it, I do get a discount as well. I kind of got super glue all over my fingers from gluing that gasket back on, or that little seal. But that's all I got for you guys. Appreciate you guys stopping by. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!